In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reposition text boxes in Adobe Acrobat. Let's start by opening your file in Adobe Acrobat. Give it a moment to load so the interface is fully ready. Once your document is on screen, look toward the top area of the window and enter Edit mode. Depending on your version, this may appear as an Edit button or an Edit PDF option near the top. Clicking this tells Acrobat you're ready to adjust elements on the page rather than just view them. With Edit mode active, turn your attention to the Quick Access toolbar. Here, make sure the Select tool is chosen. You'll typically see it labeled as Select, and it will look slightly highlighted when it's active. This is important because the Select tool lets you interact with objects on the page, including text boxes, without accidentally adding or modifying text content. If a different tool is active, your clicks might place a text cursor instead of letting you move things around, so confirming Select is on will save time and frustration. Now, hover your mouse over the text you want to move. In Edit mode, Acrobat will show a bounding box around a text box when it's available to be moved. You should see a clear outline, sometimes with small handles at the corners or sides. That outline means you're working with a text box rather than just a line of text. Click once on the border to select the entire text box. This helps avoid editing the text itself. Then, click and hold inside the box and drag it to the new position that suits your layout. As you drag, keep an eye on alignment cues and spacing so everything remains neat and readable. If you notice the cursor turning into a text insertion bar, simply move your pointer to the edge of the box and click the border again to reselect the whole box before dragging. Release the mouse to place the text box in its new spot. If the placement isn't quite right, you can drag again and fine-tune until it looks just the way you want. Repeat this process for any other text boxes you want to rearrange in your document. If a section of text doesn't show a bounding box, it might be embedded differently, such as part of a scanned image or a flattened design. In those cases, the Select tool won't move it as a text box, and you'll know because no outline appears when you hover. That's all there is to it. Open your file, switch to Edit mode, confirm the Select tool, and drag the text boxes wherever you need them.